So let's continue on with a few more examples and see if we can make them a little bit more complicated. Look at this question. This question says you want a subcommittee of 5 people. And it's formed from a group of 15 members. But look, they're getting pretty specific here. They said there's 8 males in this group, 7 females in this group. Okay, so what? Look at A. A says no restrictions at all. Well, then no restrictions at all. You don't care if they're male, female. You don't care about the order either. If it's Bill, Fred, and Angela, you don't care if it's Angela, Fred, and Bill. The order does not matter. So that's one of the reasons why this is going to be a combination. But you have a total of 15 members here to choose from. You only want 5. Oh, okay. So I'm going to go and throw this into my calculator right now. I'm just going to hit alpha and 2. There's number 8 there. And I'm going to go 15 members total. And I'm going to, from this, I'm going to choose 5 members because, of course, order doesn't matter. I got 3,003 different variations. Holy smokes, 3,003 variations on this. Now, don't forget, I could have also written this down as 15 choose 5 like this using that other notation. I kind of prefer this, but I've seen this lots too, so keep your eyes sharp, okay? Now, let's go on to the next question, which is, of course, throwing a few restrictions at you. Oh boy, here we go, restriction time. Now, this one says exactly 3 females. Exactly 3 females. No, you don't want 4. No, you don't want 5. You don't want 2. You want exactly 3 females on your group. Okay, so think about it. Out of the 7 females now, you're going to choose exactly 3. But is that a 5-member committee? No, it's not. You still have 2 members. But think about those other 2 members. They can't be female because then you won't have exactly 3 females. You'll have 4 females or 5 females. You can't have that. You want exactly 3 females. So think about this. Your next group then, what do you have left? Well, you got to have them as being males. That's just the way it is. You got 3 females, you'll have exactly 2 males. That's how it works. So how many males do we have to choose from? 8 of them, and you're going to choose 2. Now, I got a question for you. Is this an and statement or an or statement? Well, think about it. You need 3 females and 2 males to make this a 5-person subcommittee. So and means, of course, multiply. Aha. Okay, so let's bring up our calculator here. Boom, and let's do this. All right? Okay, alpha 2, there's 8. There's our first one. So I'm going to put in my 7 and my 3. So out of 7 females, I'm going to choose 3. Then I'm going to go out here and I'm going to multiply them. And again, alpha 2. I'm going to get 8 again. Out of the remaining people, which are all going to be males, right? I have to choose 2 of them. Perfect. Hit enter. Let's see what you got. I got 980 possible arrangements. 980 possible arrangements for this. Okay, let's keep on going now. Look at this question. This one says 3 males and 2 females make up the group. Well, they're pretty specific again. So think about this. Out of the males, you've got 8 to choose from. So I'm going to go 8, choose 3. There's the and again. There's the and again. You want 2 females. So out of the 7 females, you're going to choose 2. Okay? And if it's and, that thing's got to be multiplication again. All right. So let's go back into the calculator. Now let me show you a little bit of a shortcut. Going that second F2 function button sometimes can be a bit of a pain in the butt. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to mouse up and I'm going to grab this. And I'm going to hit enter. And there's the values. All I got to do is change a few numbers. For example, the first number I'm going to change is that 7 to be an 8. Because my first arrangement is 8, choose 3. 8 males, choose 3 of them. And my second arrangement is going to be 7 females, choose 2 of them. Perfect. Look at that. Saves you a little bit of time and a little bit of agony trying to go out and find those values all the time on your calculator. Hit enter. Boom. I got 1,176. So this works out to be 1,176. Beautiful. Okay, let's look at the last one. The last restriction is there's absolutely no males. Well, then that means the males are totally out of the picture. That means the entire subcommittee has to be females. Okay, how many females do you have? I got 7 of them, and I'm going to choose 5 out of your committee. Oh, okay. 5 to make that committee. Let's go back into this nice little thing here. There's our beautiful F2. There's this one. And out of the total, I got 7 females. Oops, 7 females. I'm going to choose 5. And I get a beautiful 21 possible arrangements. I got 21 arrangements of a committee that has no males, only females on it. You see how this works? I'm going to start getting even a little bit more and more complicated with the next couple of podcasts. But hang tight. We'll see what we get.